Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the scrolling text effect on CapCut apps. For instance, tap on project, I'm going to select stock videos and select the black screen, and I'm going to add text. Add text and enter your text. So to make scrolling, you can add animation. So click animation, select loop, and then you can find scrolling right here. Just click on it. Alright, you can adjust for it fast or slower. So make it faster or make it slower, like this. Click check mark. Here we go. That's it. So basically, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.